to start on our trophy. Alright, so I'm just gonna spot weld HPSS, of course, for Honest Peyton speed shop in the year 23, because for the year, I just said that. Anyways, so we're gonna get you along after I do a few. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna wait till he stops. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Is it even on?
You didn't turn it on? Again?
No.
Oh, well, you know what? Let me turn it on. I'm back here.
How dare you?
All right, go ahead and weld.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. So we traced HPSS on that wrench body, and Peyton is just following along with the tracing. She's working on the H there. You can see, and that's actually really good. And I bet she's just gonna connect the middle, and then we'll show you a little closer.
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna have her pick that up since she's got the good gloves on here in just a second. All right, as you can see, yep, she's got it right there. There's the H, and then you can see the PSS, and 23 is down here. So we're just gonna have her follow that down, and we won't record all the welding, but we're gonna get a good chunk of it going. All right, let's get her set back up.
Okay, I can't even see that.
We got a little extra light down there for her, but apparently it's not giving her enough.
Yeah.
There we go, like that.
Yeah, there you go.
Let's try that.
Ready?
Yep.
So I can get down in there. There. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Well, yep, they're gonna have that. That's okay. Didn't even touch it. That's okay. Okay, I got one in. Oh, that's hot in my arm.
I bet.
That didn't feel good. Alright, so I got the thing spot welded. To me, looks good. I don't know. But I did have trouble on the 2 because it more looked like a 1, as my dad said. This is what it's gonna look like. And it's probably gonna look like this on there. I'm not gonna touch it because it's really hot. I don't want to burn it. Oh. He said it was fine, so okay. So basically, what it's gonna look like. You like it? Okay, good.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now is Peyton's just gonna we had tacked the center of the trophy together, and now Peyton's just gonna burn in the backs.
Just checking that one. I think that one's good. Ready?
Mm-hmm. She's working on just continuous bead, which is nice, which is pretty good on this stuff. So, all right, and then she's gonna get some of these middle ones. Actually, the middle ones look pretty good. She's just gonna do right up here at the top. Let me just get that back so you can see. Right here and right there. Whenever you're ready. Now, if you need to turn it, just turn it. There you go.
Ooh, that's hot.
I would assume it is.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that looks good.
All right. Well, that's awesome. Go ahead and hang up your gun and flip it over.
You guys want to see it? I think it looks pretty good. That's hot. Ooh, no. Sorry, that was so hot.
Okay, so what Peyton's doing is just finishing up the last few on the front. And then we'll get some big gloves on so we can hold them up. So yeah.
Ooh, background there. I think, because...
Probably operator error.
Yeah, brain had a malfunction.
Just go when you're ready.
What the heck? Brother.
Go.
Alright, so this is what we have so far, and I'm not sure if we're going to add anything else, but we do have to put it on the stand. And how is it, guys? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if I did a good job or not. Alright, so this is what we have so far, and I'm not sure if we're going to add anything else, but we do have to put it on the stand. And how is it, guys? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if I did a good job or not. This is a little sneak peek of what it would look like if we don't add anything else. Okay, so this is what we have so far. My dad thinks we should put someone up here. I think we shouldn't. But let me know what you guys think. Should we put someone on top or not? But I think it looks good. My dad just grinded it here because it was a little bumpy. Don't want to hurt somebody. And then he said my welds are getting better.
Not that mine are any good.
This is good. Yeah, overall.
So really what this is made out of is, so far it's 5 wrenches and a hubcap from a 1935 Ford wheel. That's it. My welder does not weld to stainless steel, and if you can see right here, I did get, because there was a split in the stainless, I did get it to weld there. We tried some solder. If it doesn't work, well, then we'll just take it off and we'll just cut the rest of that stainless steel out of the way and put it back down. Mm-hmm. Or we'll drill it from underneath and tap it and put a bolt in or something. Who knows? So really, these are things that we picked up at the Grand Rapids swap meet. And actually, the funny thing is, all of this stuff we got at Arco's booth. And the only thing we got somewhere else was not kept. So we've got HPSS 23, we've got wrenches. That's why I think we should put something on the top, just something. I'm not talking about like a spike or anything like that, but you know, something.
Recap, my welds are getting better, but this is what we have.
Remember, I want something on the top. Peyton doesn't. Let us know what you think.
And definitely I'm happy because we get to pick the first ever winner of Honest Peyton Speed Shop, and
Well, the trophy anyway.
Yeah.
We're not giving away Honest Peyton Speed Shop.
No, we're not. Definitely not.
But it is for sale. Let's sell all the cars.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on wrenching. Have a great day.